We are at the Quickly Technologies Private Limited, the biggest antivirus company in India. Right now the company is established for the world, and let's see what the CEO and CTO of the company has to say about it. First you will meet the CEO of the company, Mr. Kailash Khattar. With the CEO of the company, Quickly Technologies Private Limited, Mr. Kailash Khattar. As we know, the company started in March 1993. We would like to know about your journey in the business and whatever extra expansions you have done until now, sir.
See, I started my career with radio repairing. When I was in school, I used to do radio repairing, tape recorder repairing, TV repairing. Then I got an opportunity to work with a Data Star Electronics, where they were into calculator repairings. So I thought of this is something new technology where you won't find. When I was doing this, my company was also into a laser posting machine repairings. These machines were fully imported from Germany, and they were installed in banks like State Bank of India, Bank of India, Saraswat Bank of India. And then I used to.
Yes, basically after getting into calculators and all the electronic stuff, so you were quite interested in the repairing of getting a new thing into electronic gadgets.
Yeah,
So
usually it's like my hobby of learning something new because I never get stick to anything for a long time. When I was doing calculators, within a year or 2 years, I shifted to laser posting machine repairing, facet machine repairing. Then within a year or 2 years, I shifted to laser posting machine repairing. Then I shifted to computers, printers, then printer heads, monitors, UPS. Then again I started getting stuck there. Then I thought of doing something different. So my younger brother was doing BCS, MCS through Pune University, and then I roped him into this business, and I thought of starting a venture of software development.
So what I wanted to ask you is that if it was like more or towards hardware, so what did you feel that getting into software will make you a big business or something like that? That if we will be a throughout the world company, a company which is right now in the 50 countries about.
See, basically, I don't have any formal education for the business where I could understand what is a business. I was never into, you know, in an intention to do the business. I had always dream about something doing differently and giving a service, good service to the society where everyone will be benefited, the society will be benefited, I will learn something, and I will pass my time by giving a good service to, maybe you call it as a customer, I call it as a society. And this was as good as like my hobby. And what happened, like my hobby became my business, which I never came to know.
So we should inculcate more number of hobbies with us.
Yes.
Okay, basically I know that to get the product more intuitive.
Yes.
Right. And so you support competition, rather a healthy competition.
Yes. I always.
There is some new concept with you that is PC to mobile and WOW 64 scan technology. So can we know something about it?
So thought of, it's not only PC to mobile, we have developed a lot of technology which no other antivirus has developed. Then after seeing this Quickhill antivirus, even they have developed those technology. Like for example, a sensor technology was developed in 2003 in Quickhill. Then we have developed a messenger system in Quickhill. Then we have developed DNA technology, which was there in Quickhill. It's a unique technology which no other antivirus has. Then we have developed a data thief protection technology which is there in Quickhill. Then recently we have developed a PC2 mobile technology, which we thought of, like now it's a high time we should also start doing patent registrations. And then with PC2 mobile we have applied for the patent, and it's pending.
Another thing is when people like us, the technology enthusiasts or the young achievers today, so what should they take from a message?
I would rather say one thing, that through colleges you must have taken a basic knowledge to develop your career, but that is not 100% knowledge. Daily it is going to keep on
We
changing.
will
So
have to
your learning capability has to be maintained till the end of your life, and you have to keep on learning on daily basis and face the challenges what you people might come across on daily basis. And if you take it in a positive attitude or with the energy, you will definitely come out with a good solution and you will achieve the success.
Okay. And that's how we take some inspiration from the CEO of the company, Vikil Technologies Private Limited.